Hey, have you ever sat there pondering what are these cement mixture ratios and what do these numbers mean? Okay, well, you got 1, 2, 3, or you might have a 1, 2, 4. You could even possibly have a 1, 2, 4, 1. Well, what these are, the first number is your cement. Second number is your sand. Third number is your gravel. Now, if you have a fourth number, that's going to be your additive, okay? So so now that's we're going to total it up. These become a fraction. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's sixths. This one would be sevenths, okay? And this one would be eighths. So let's do a 1, 2, 3, 1 mixture, okay? Let's do a 1, 2, 1 mixture for a cubic yard. Okay, so now what we're going to need to know is how many cubic feet are in a cubic yard. There is 27 cubic feet in a yard. Now, if you're going to do cubic feet to inches, there is 1,728 cubic inches in a cubic foot. Okay, and another number that you're going to need to know for that, two other numbers that you're going to need to know for this, okay? A cubic foot, 1 cubic foot equals 94 pounds. Okay? 1 cubic foot equals 7.448 gallons. Okay? So now we got these. Now let's sit down and figure out 1 cubic yard for making cement. So now we got 1/6 of cement. We got 2/6 of sand. We've got 3/6 of gravel, okay? And we got 1/6 of additive. Okay, most additives come in a fluid liquid form. Okay, so make note. This is how it's going to work. So now what we have to do is we got to divide 1 by 6. And then we're going to round it up, round the number up to the closest thousandths. So that gives us 0.166. We're going to do it again. 2 divided by 6, round it up to the closest thousandths, which gives us 0.333. And we keep going on, so on. And this will give us 0.5. And this one here, once again, 0.166. Now we're going to times that by our cubic feet, okay? So now we've got our cubic feet, which is 27 cubic feet. 27, 27, 27. We're going to multiply these numbers, and we're going to round up to the nearest tenth, okay? Round it up to the nearest tenth. That gives us 4.5, okay? That gives us 8.9. This one gives us 13.5. And this one gives us 4.5. So now these ones here are done. This is how many cubic feet of these you're going to need. That's how many cubic feet of sand, how many cubic feet of gravel. Now, your cement mix, you usually buy that in pounds. Now, remember, I told you there are 94 pounds per cubic foot. So we're going to times that by pounds. So times 94 equals 432 pounds of cement mix. Now, this usually comes in a fluid form, okay? Now, how that's going to work is we now know that there's how many gallons per cubic feet. We know that there is 7.48 gallons, okay? 7.48 gallons. So we're going to times our 4.5. Okay, so I didn't figure this one out yet. So let's go. We're going to use a calculator. Okay, we got 4.5 times 7.48 equals. That gives us 33.66, or we can round it up to 34 gallons, okay? So that's it. Now now you guys need to know how much water. My rule of thumb is 0.5. 0.5 for water. So how that works is we're going to start a new one down here. We got 0.56. So we're going to divide 0.5 by 6, round it up to the closest thousandths, which is 0.083. We're going to times that by 27, which equals, round it up to the closest thousandths again, 2.941. Okay, now we know that there are 7.48 gallons per cubic foot. So we're going to times that by 7.48, which equals, rounded up to the closest tenth, would be 16.8. Or we can, but we want a little extra, so we're just going to round that up to an 18. So there you go. You now have your measurements. So what do we need here to make 1 cubic yard? We need, for cement mix, we need 432 pounds. For our sand, we need 8.9 cubic feet. Okay, or feet 2. For our gravel, we need 13.5 cubic feet. For our additive, we need 34 gallons. And for our water, we need 18 gallons. And there you guys go. Quick and simple and easy. Make your own mix, and you don't have to buy pre-mix. Now for pre-mix, for 60 pounds, if you're going to do 60 pounds, okay, we got 60, 80, and 90, which are the most common for pre-mixes. Okay, if you want to know how much water to add to these things, that's 5, okay, 7, 8. 8, that's 5 gallons, quarts, 5 quarts, 7 quarts, and 8 quarts. Okay? That's QT, quarts. 5 quarts, 7 quarts, 8 quarts. And those are your rule of thumb for mixing those. So I hope this helped you out, and I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you have a better understanding. Catch you all on the flip side.